Hello and welcome. This video is about one of the affiliate marketer's biggest mistakes. If you are an aspiring affiliate marketer, the following mistake is one that I believe is one of the hardest to learn. The mistake is that most affiliate marketers, new and experienced, are not aware that affiliate marketing is a balancing act. Most of us are tuned into the belief that more is better. A common misconception in affiliate marketing is the idea that more is constantly better. Have you ever felt the impulse to promote your product incessantly in the hope of better returns? As far as most of us are concerned, more is exactly what we should do. The truth is that more isn't always better, particularly in affiliate marketing and promotion. Over-promoting may not just be a mistake, it can actually hurt your efforts. The key to effective marketing lies in equilibrium, and today we're exploring the dangers of over-promotion and how to prevent them. Let's talk about the affiliate marketing taste of success, and how it can hurt your affiliate marketing business. Starting off in affiliate marketing is like stepping into uncharted waters, which can be full of risks as well as rewards. The problem lies with that initial thrill. You make your first few sales and now you are ready to conquer affiliate marketing. What you may not realize is that your first taste of success can tempt you into registering for a lot of programs. Please be aware that spreading yourself too thin will backfire. You are going to stifle your success when you bite off more than you can chew. Focusing on a couple of select projects ensures you give your best, thus optimizing your outcomes. You also may not be aware of the material problem. Hopefully one of the main reasons why you are an affiliate marketer is to help others, and hopefully, helping others is your primary motivation. Nonetheless, making your first few sales can dethrone your efforts. Your reasoning, which seems sound, is that once you see that you can generate income with your efforts, then more is going to be better. What most affiliate marketers do not realize is that they need to find a balance. What typically happens is that they double and redouble their efforts. Before they know it, they are pestering their target market with way too much content and promotion. In today's digital age, it is easy to create a ton of content, a ton of emails, a ton of ads, and so on. Our intention is to make more sales. Our result is that we can overwhelm our audience, as well as hinder our search engine optimization efforts. The right amount of web content, video content, blog posts, emails, and paid or free advertising is vital for maintaining your target market's interest and engagement. Discovering what is the right balance for you and your audience begins with your awareness, and relies on your attention. In other words, how do you find that sweet spot? Start by cherry-picking your affiliate marketing programs. Choose only the ones that best align with your niche and select only a few. Your targeted strategy helps you concentrate on what you're proficient at. Also, work on improving your creation process to provide high-quality, value-driven content. Avoid too much info. Rather, select regular, high-quality content that includes maximum value. Too much content, too many emails, too many posts, too many ads and so on are recognized as spam in your audience's eyes. Your heart is in the right place, but your efforts will lower sales and ultimately alienate your audience. So don't overwhelm your target market. Balance in affiliate marketing is not only going to be valuable. It's important, it isn't just a good idea, it's essential. Choosing the best programs and focusing on quality over quantity will not just simplify your efforts but also enhance your chances of success. It is easy to overdo and mistakenly overwhelm, rather than more being better. For most hard-working affiliate marketers, less is going to be better. If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you. And if you are interested in making money online, consider joining the channel. so that Mr. P can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching. Consider watching this video next.